more free random eggs. I'll hatch 3 of them. Like 3 of them. So I'll start. Eggs gonna hatch. My erupted. Written. Written. My mind erupted again. The second egg is finished. The second one is finally finished. Took so long. It's Rapris. No reason why it took so long. It was Rapris. It was Rapris. No egg finish. Eevee. Another Eevee. Another Eevee. Let's see the results. Legend, actually, Legend's a female. Legend's a female. Check summary. Legend. Legend's a female. Like, it's like 5% chance to be a female. So that's gonna video I'm done for now.